Hello traders, welcome back again. So in our previous tutorial, we are able to learn what Forex is and how Forex markets work. So today we are going to continue on what activities are actually going in the Forex. So in the Forex market, we have something that is actually taking place, which is trading of currencies. So, and their currencies are being traded in the pairs. So, in the markets, currencies are traded in pairs, meaning that you are buying one currency and selling the other currency at the same time. So, for example, now I have on my dashboard, I have Euro USD, which this, as you can see here, I have Euro USD, GBP JPY, AUD JPY, Euro GBP, Euro JPY, and the list goes on. So each one of them, they actually pair to one another to be able to be traded. So, and like just like I said in our previous tutorial, I said the first currency, this euro, the first currency, each currency is considered to be base. The first currency is base. While the second currency, USD, is quote currency. Quote currency. This, as you can see here, the first one is base, while the second one is quote currency. And each one of them needed one another to be able to be traded in the market. So I can trade Euro JPY, Euro GBP, Euro whatever. Now, if I want to trade this Euro USD, I needed 1 euro. I needed 1 euro to be able to buy. No, sorry. I needed 1.1 USD, 1.1620 USD. So to be able to give me 1 euro, 1 euro, meaning that 1.11 dollar, 1.1 cent dollar is equivalent to 1 euro. If I buy this, if I predict my markets that okay, I have $1, I have the $3, and I want to buy euro, that in the next few minutes the price of euro is going to increase, or the price of dollar is going to depreciate. So if I buy euro, meaning that USD, Euro USD, if I buy Euro, I trade it on long. If the market goes as I predicted, I'm going to end it in a profit. So now these currency pairs are not just ordinary currency pairs. They are also classified into many pairs. Like we have the major pairs, we have the minor pairs, and we have the exotic pairs. So you can just go ahead and Google it, or I'm going to leave the link to the trading view, because we have more than 128 currency pairs in the world. So it's more than that. It's more than that. So I will leave the link in the description. Now, the major currency pairs, those include those are the currency pairs that are the most traded currencies in the world. And those pairs always include USD pairs. So if you see maybe GBP USD is one of them as well. Any PS, not any PS that is attached to USD, they are considered to be, though not all, but according to the analysis, we have 7 of them. We have Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, USD CHF, USD AUD, and AUD USD, NZD USD, etc. So those pairs have high liquidity and they have very low spread and lot of market activities. They are every day, every time they tend to move in the market. So they are considered to be major currencies. And while we have the minor currency pairs, those are the cross currency pairs. Those they do not include USD, but still involve in major trading, major currency. For example, we have Euro GBP, we have Euro GBP, Euro GBP, Euro GBP, GBP. We have Euro JPY, GBP JPY, AUD NZD, and etc. So those currency pair, they are also more. They are also traded. They trade them as well the way they trade USD JPY. But those they are not include. They don't include the USD. So and they have less liquid and than the major one, but they are still commonly traded. So and their spread is tend to be more higher than the one that are the major one. Then we have the exotic pairs. Those pairs include a major currency and a currency from developing or small economy. So those pairs include USDTRY, which is US dollar and Turkish lira. We have Euro we have Euro ZAR, which is Euro South African Rand. We have we have them like that. So I'm going to leave the link to those pairs for you to be able to identify them very well. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Now, let's further. In each currency, as we are able to identify the currency, each one of them they have the the nickname. The nickname as a forex trader, although it's not a must for you to know, but it's just once you know it, it's something like a fancy. So each one of them they have nickname. Like for Euro USD, the nickname of Euro USD is fiber. Fiber. Once you hear fiber, it's considered to be Euro USD. Euro USD. So the nickname to USD JPY is GOPA. The nickname to USD JPY, USD JPY, JPY is GOPA, I believe. So we have there are many like that. Just I'm going to leave the draft on the description. So we have GBP USD, which is cable. We have USD CHF, which is Swizzy. We have AUD USD, which is Aussie. We have USD card, which is Lonely. We have NZD USD, which is Kiwi. We have GBP EU, GBP EUR, which is Johnny. We have Euro Chef, which is Euro Swizzy. We have Euro JPY, which is Yopi. So those are the nicknames of the currency pairs. So in our next tutorial, we are going to further on the forex trading season and the best time to trade the forex markets.